is the correct answer. Problem f of x equal to sin x by sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. Next implies find out f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x equal to dash. Option first option A 1, second option 1 by 2, third option root 3 by 2, fourth option 1 by root 3. Very easy. Already given f of x equal to sin x by sin x plus cos x, already given. So another value f of pi by 2 minus x, we know that. So x plus substitution pi by 2 minus x. So sin of x mean pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus, and also denominator sin of x mean pi by 2 minus x substitution, plus here also cos plus cos of x also pi by 2 minus x. Next pi by 2 mean pi, already we know that 180, pi by 2 equal to 90, already told. 90 means change, 90, and also 270 change. In previous class explain, I will explain. I explained already. So 90 here 90 sign will be changed, sign will be changed cos, and also cos will be changed sign will be changed cos. So sign will be changed cos x. Next same way sin 90 change sign cos x, same, plus cos will be also changed, sin cos also sin. So here sin x, that's all. So f of pi by 2 minus x, sum of value, so sum. Therefore f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x, f of x given sin x by sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, plus f of pi by 2x, we find out. So cos x by cos x plus sin x. Denominators are equal, both are equal. Sin x plus cos x or cos x plus sin x, anyone, no problem. So denominators equal, numerators add. That is the fundamental method. So sin x plus cos x, right? Numerator sin x plus here numerator cos x. So numerator denominator all are equal. So cancellation 1 by 1 mean 1. So f of x plus f of pi by 2 x equal to 1. So A is the correct answer. So once again given f of x equal to sin x by sin x plus cos x. But find out f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x. This one already given, but here this is not given. We find out. So first of all find out our value of f of pi by 2 minus x. So in this place x place will come pi by 2 minus x. So substitution x plus pi by 2 minus x, that's all. Sin x mean pi by 2 minus x, sin x mean pi by 2 minus x, cos of x mean pi by 2 minus x. We already explained pi by 2, pi equal to 180, pi by 2 90. 90 also change, 90 or 270 change. Change mean sign will be changed cos will be changed sin. So sin pi by 2 minus x, here also pi by 2 minus x, here also pi by 2 minus. Sin 90 change, sign will be changed cos, here x. Same way 90 change sin cos x, cos sin x. Next as per problem f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x. F of x already given sin x by sin x plus cos x, plus we find f of pi by 2 minus x, substitution cos x by cos x plus sin x. In denominator sin x plus cos x or cos x plus sin x, anyone, no problem. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, same value 5. So same way sin x plus cos x plus sin x, no change, denominators equal. Sin x plus cos x is the LCM. Numerator denominators equal, numerators plus is also addition, minus also subtraction. So sin x plus cos x, in numerator and denominator is equal, both are cancellation. 1 by 1. 1 by 1 mean 1. So f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x equal to 1. 1 is here only a. A is the correct answer. Tan theta equal to a by b, comma, and then cos theta equal to dash. First option a by a square plus b square. Next b by a square plus b square. Next c a by root of a square plus b square. Next D answer b by root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Find out. Given tan theta equal to a by b. In any trigonometry functions given, one function is given, find out another function. The best method is the right angle is the best method. No formula. Easy method. So tan theta equal to a by b. Tan mean opposite side by adjacent side. We know that already told. So opposite here 90 degrees here. Here is the hypotenuse. Here is the opposite theta here. Here adjacent side. Here opposite side. Here theta take. Okay. Next opposite and adjacent side. We want hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square equal to already told formula. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square is the simple formula. Simple formula, Pythagoras formula. So opposite square mean a square plus adjacent square mean b square. That is hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse equal to root of a square plus b square. So we find total values. But cos theta equal to cos theta formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side how much? B by hypotenuse we find root of a square plus b square. So b is the answer. B by root of a square plus b square. Any problem given one function of trigonometry function, find out another function, any one, that is use of right angle triangle. First given tan theta equal to a by b. We know that tan formula opposite by adjacent side, but we want hypotenuse. In right angle 90 degrees opposite, the long side is the hypotenuse. Here theta mentioned, theta is opposite is called opposite side, remaining side adjacent side. Okay. But we know opposite and adjacent side, but don't know about hypotenuse square. But the Pythagoras law of formula hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So hypotenuse square equal to already given opposite a square, adjacent side b square. Hypotenuse equal to square will be changed root of a square plus b square. So find out sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, any one. We use formula and apply these values. So cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent mean already given b. Hypotenuse we find out root of a square plus b square. This is the one method of to find one function given to find another function, any one right angle triangle. Another problem. If tan theta equal to b by a, then a cos theta plus b sin theta by a cos theta minus b sin theta minus b sin theta. Options given. A, first option a plus b by a minus b, a plus b by a minus b. Second option a minus b by a plus b. Third option a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Third option. Fourth option D, a square minus b square by a square plus b square. That's all. So, given tan theta equal to b by a, find out the value of a cos theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta by a cos theta minus b sin theta. Given tan theta, we find the terms also changed tan in terms of tan. So tan means cos common. So cos theta common, remaining a plus b. Here no cos terms, so write denominator cos theta. Same way, denominator also cos theta common. The remaining part a minus, here no cos term but cos common, denominator right, b sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta cancel. That is, we get a plus b. So sin theta by cos theta we know already. Sin by cos mean tan theta. Right, tan theta. By here also same, a minus b. Sin by cos right, tan theta. That is a plus b. Tan theta already given b by a. Already given b by a substitution. By a minus b. Tan theta given b by a. B by a. So this is the fundamental simplification. So here also denominator no value 1. Here also denominator no value. Cross multiplication. A into a square. B into b square into 1 also b square. By 1 into a. That's all numerator simplification. Same way, denominator also a into a square minus b into b square into 1 b square by 1 into a cancel denominators, both are equal. So we get answer a square plus b square by a square minus b square. So a cos theta plus b sin theta by a cos theta minus b sin theta, we get answer a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Where is the answer? A square plus b square by a square minus b square. C is the answer. So tan theta equal to b by a given. Then find out value a cos theta plus b sin theta by a cos theta minus b. We think given tan theta, the terms is also changed in terms of tan theta. That is the very best method. So cos theta, tan means sin by cos. Already here sin cos. So cos is the common part, a plus b. Sin, here no cos term. So write denominator. Same way, denominator cos theta common. Here remaining part a minus b. Here also no cos term. So write denominators. After cancellation, cos theta cancel. 1 leave it. A plus b. Sin by cos we know that tan theta. Same way, a minus b. Sin by cos tan theta. After a plus b. Tan theta given b by a, substitution b by a. Here also same, a minus b, tan theta b by a. As a basic algebraic fundamental, if any two fractions plus or minus, cross multiplication is the best method. A into a square, b into b square into 1 b square, 1 into a. Same way, a into a square minus b into b square into 1 b square, denominator a. Denominators all are equal. A cancel. Remaining part is the answer. A square plus b square by a square. So C is the answer. Given cos theta equal to 2x by 1 plus x square given. Value of tan theta. Value of tan theta equal to dash. Value of tan theta. First of all, given options A 1 by 1 plus x square given. Second option 2x by 1 minus x square. Third option 1 minus x square by 2x. Fourth option 1 plus x square by 2x. That's all. Given already cos theta equal to 2x by 1 plus x square given. Value of tan theta find out. Tan theta, I am already told that cos theta equal cos sin anyone given. To find out the another any function, use right angle triangle is the best method. No formula, very simple. So we know already cos theta mean adjacent side by hypotenuse. So comparison, adjacent side 2x, this is 90 degrees hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 1 plus x square. So we want opposite square. So opposite square equal to formula hypotenuse square minus adjacent side. Very simple formula. Hypotenuse square 1 plus x square whole square minus the adjacent 2x whole square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, that is 2x square, that means 4x square, that is a square x square whole square. So here 2x square minus 4x square means minus 2x square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, that's all. So a minus b whole square, a minus b means 1 minus x square whole square, that is the opposite square. So opposite equal to root of 1 minus x square whole square, that means square root cancel, 1 minus x square opposite. So we get opposite 1 minus x square. So we get all values, that means hypotenuse, adjacent side, opposite. So find out any value of tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. Opposite value 1 minus x square by adjacent value 2x. So answer 1 minus x square by 2x is the answer. So we find any problem, one function, one ratio is given, to find out another function, any values, any function, we find out by use of right angle triangle. Cos theta equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Cos mean adjacent side by hypotenuse. So at the comparison, adjacent 2x, hypotenuse 1 plus x square. So we know that Pythagoras law, opposite square equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Hypotenuse value 1 plus x square whole square minus adjacent 2x whole square. This one a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b minus same 2x whole square, 2x into 2x, that means 4x square. A square same right, b square same right, 2x square minus 4x square, that means minus 2x square. So a square plus b square minus 2x square, that's also 1. So 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right, a minus b whole square. A mean 1, b mean minus x square whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, right, a minus b whole square. So here a mean 1, no, b mean x square. So opposite square equal to 1 minus x square. Opposite equal to square will be change root of, square root cancel, 1 minus x square opposite. So we find we get opposite and already given adjacent and hypotenuse. So tan theta, sin theta, cosecant, cot, anyone to find out this method. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. Opposite equal to 1 minus x square, adjacent equal to 2x. That's all. If sin theta equal to 7 by 25, if sin theta equal to 7 by 25, then cosecant theta minus cot theta, cosecant theta minus cot theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to dash. The option is given, options given 24 by 7, 24 by 7, B answer 7 by 24, C option 49, D option 1 by 49, 1 by 49. I am already told sin theta is given, any ratio, trigonometric ratio is given, to find out or simplify of any function by using of right angle triangle. So we know already sin theta mean opposite by hypotenuse. So here 90 degrees is theta. Let's so opposite is 7. Next hypotenuse 25. Find out adjacent side. We know that adjacent square equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite square. So hypotenuse square equal to 25 square minus opposite square 7 square. 25 square means 625. Multiplication with 25 and 25. 7 square means 7 into 7 49. So 6 25 minus 49. 576. Observe 625 49. 15 minus 9, that means 6. Here borrowing 11. 11 minus 4 means 7. 576. Adjacent square equal to adjacent square. So adjacent equal to root 576. 576 root 24. We know that already value fundamental. So 576 root 24. So here cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine means 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine means 7 by 25. 25 by 7 reverse. After find out cot theta. Cot mean cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Or 1 by tan theta. Cos theta means and also adjacent side by opposite, we know that also. So adjacent already given, find out 24. Opposite already given 7. So these values are substitution in the problem. Cosecant theta minus cot theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta already 25 by 7, right? Minus cot theta, find out 24 by 7. Next, same way 25 by 7 plus 24 by 7. As a fundamental, denominators equal, numerators plus is add, minus is subtraction. 25 minus 24 by 7 denominator. Same way 25 plus 24 by 7. 7 cancellation. 25 minus 24 equal to 1 by 24. 5 plus 24 49. So 1 by 49 is the answer. So D is the answer. So once again, in any given trigonometry functions, to find out another functions of cosecant, cot, tan, any function by using method of right angle triangle, very simple method. Adjacent, so here sin theta equal to 7 by 25. Sin mean opposite by hypotenuse, already told. Opposite comparison 7, hypotenuse comparison 25. So we know that opposite 7 and hypotenuse 25. But find out adjacent side. So the by using of Pythagoras law, hypotenuse adjacent square equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Hypotenuse mean 25 square minus opposite means 7 square. 25 square mean 25 into 25, 625 minus 7 square mean 49. 625 minus 49, subtraction, simple method, 576 is the get. So adjacent equal to root 576. Root 576 root 24. So adjacent equal 24. Next, we found in the problem cosecant cot theta. Cosecant is the 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin. 1 by sin already given 7 by 25. In denominator fraction, reverse, reciprocal, that means 25 by 7. Next, find out cot theta. Cot means cos theta by sin theta and also adjacent side by opposite. But adjacent is find out 24. Opposite already given 7. 24 by 7. So cosecant theta and cot theta value substitution in the given problem. Cosecant theta minus cot theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7 minus cot theta 24 by 7. By cosecant theta 25 by 7 plus cot theta 24 by 7. As a fundamental, denominators equal, numerators minus will be subtraction, plus may addition. So 25 minus 24 by 7. Same way, denominators equal 7, 25 plus 24. So 25 minus 24, 1, 25 plus 24, 49. So 1 by 45, 49 is the answer of given problem. So D is the answer. Important to note this problem. If cos of a plus b, if cos of a plus b, most important model, cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2 and sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b equal to 1 by 2, then angle A equal to dash. Options given, A equal to 15 degrees, B equal to 30 degrees, C equal to 45 degrees, D equal to 60 degrees. So, first of all, given, right, cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B equal to 1. So, the function is cos. In cos terms, which angle is equal to 1 by 2? We know cos 60, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. So, here given cos, we think about only cos terms. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Both side cos, leave it. A plus B equal to 60 degrees. That's all. Next, same way, sin. Sin of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. So, here given function sin A minus B, we think which angle is equal to 1 by 2? Sin 30. Sin 30 is the 1 by 2. Both sides sin, leave it. A minus B equal to 30. The two equations solve, we get answer. So, A plus B equal to 60 and A minus B equal to 30 plus B minus B cancel. 1A mean 1A mean 1A 1A 2A, 60 plus 30, 90. So, A equal to 90 by 2, 2 1s 2 45, 2 4s 8, remaining 1 2 5s 10, that means. So, A equal to angle A equal to 45 degrees. This also write pi by 4 because of pi equal to 180, pi equal to 180. So, 45 or pi by 4, anyone. So, already given C equal to 45. Very most important model. Once again, cos of A plus B equal to 1 by 2. So, here function cos. We think about only cos functions. Cos of A plus B equal to cos 160 equal to cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Both side cos, leave it. A plus B equal to 60. Same way, sin of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Sin of A minus B equal to sin 30. So, here function sin, we think also sin function. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 equal. So, both sides sin, leave it. A minus B equal to 30. So, A plus B equal to 60 ఒక function, one equation, another equation, A minus B equal to 30. So, both are equations solved. A plus B equal to 60, A minus B equal to 30. Plus B minus B cancel. A mean 1A. Here also A mean 1A. 1A, 1A, 2A. 60 plus 30, 90. 2A equal 90. A equal to 90 by 2. Cancellation 2 ones, 2 4s 8. Remainder 1, 1 0. That means 10. 2 5s 10. So, we get answer A equal to 45. 45 is also right, pi by 4. So, pi by 45 answer, another answer pi by 4, anyone. But you are given 15.